Good morning, everyone. I'm over at a client's house today and I wanted to make an announcement. It was on Veterans Day last year that I announced a promotion that my business, Awesome Headlights, was providing for veterans. If you're a veteran and you need your vehicle's headlights restored, leave your wallet, cash, or credit card at home. You're not going to need it. The service is totally free. The offer is for one vehicle, and of course you have to show proof. As you're hearing a lot these days, this is an unprecedented, uncertain, and perhaps scary time. We don't know what the future is going to bring, but I think that during times like this, heroes of all kinds emerge. It is because of this, I am making a new announcement. Starting today, Veterans Day, I am adding 2 new groups of people to my complimentary headlight restoration service offer. If you are a first responder, firefighter, police officer, ambulance, or other emergency response worker, your headlight restoration is free. If you are a frontline healthcare worker, doctor, nurse, phlebotomist, medical technician, hospice care, or something similar like that, your headlight restoration is also free. And again, the offer is for one vehicle and you have to show proof. I'll be making the updates to my website and advertising as soon as I can. Be safe, take care of each other, be selfless, remember what this holiday is for, help the folks and local businesses that need it, and know that we're going to get through this. Thanks for listening.